Good morning. I've been hiking for a little over an hour. Trail's been really nice. Gone almost 3 miles. It's been that nice. It's wet. It was rained overnight, and there's been some sprinkles this morning, or just like wind, and that's causing water to come off the leaves. Sun is starting to come out, or at least trying to. I've been climbing all morning. It's like a 4-mile gradual climb. You can say close to 5-mile climb, actually. And the descent into Cheshire is going to be incredibly steep. And I'm only like 5 miles away from being done, so I'm gonna get going. So during my training cycles for races, I would have certain, call it a soundtrack or a playlist, but I would have certain albums that I would just listen to on repeat. Not even like, they were not even playlists really. I would just listen to the same entire albums from different artists over and over and over and over. And that's what got me through those cycles. And yesterday I started listening to one of the albums that got me through what I think is my best, I mean, by the numbers, it was my best marathon or half marathon when I ran the DC rock and roll half with 2 of my friends. That was definitely the best training cycle of all the half marathons I've run. And I think just because I did it with 2 of my really good friends, and we just had a lot of fun doing it. But yesterday I started I went through all of Justin Bieber's album that was out at the time. I think it's called Purpose. I don't know. Today I'm going through another album that I listened to during that training cycle, which is a Panic at the Disco album. I know, complete opposite genres, Bieber and Panic. So random. But then the third album that I listened to on repeat during that training cycle was the Hamilton soundtrack. So my music was all over the place during those few months, but it got me over the finish line and personal best, personal record. So I'm just thinking about that moment in time, yesterday and today, while I'm out here reminiscing and enjoying it. There's 3 little friends together. Hi, babies. There's a 4th one nearby. And a number 5. Hi. I just found number 6. Let's see, can I find any more in my immediate vicinity? This little huddle of friendship over here. Well, I think I got them all. Bye, friend. This is the view from Cheshire Cobble, I think. Supposed to be able to see Mount Greylock. Some windmills way out there. Which one's Greylock? Maybe that one? Not sure. I could still be a little early on this feature. It said 0.3 last I checked, and I don't think it's been 0.3 yet. Found the viewpoint, and it is gorgeous. Sun is trying to come out over there. That is where I am headed to, Cheshire, or Cheshire. Where's Greylock? It's got, I bet it's in the clouds. I bet it's that over there in the clouds. But that's where we're going tomorrow. Wow. I think this is one of the best. I think this might be one of the best views I've had this whole trip so far. Even though it's cloudy and overcast and nasty, you can still see a little bit. It's very nice. A little side trail, maybe like 0.1 or 0.2 off. Lots of signs for no camping, but there's a lot of nice camping spots over here. So I'm gonna get off these rocks and carry on. About an hour left of hiking. All right, we've made it into Cheshire. Time for a road walk. Ugh, my poor feet. Walking through the cornfields in Massachusetts. And my day's done.